Hello guys, it's Small Lift channel. Today we'll show you how to create an epic smoke animation in Scratch. If you're ready, subscribe to our channel, grab a coffee and let's get started. As usually, we start from setting the name of the project. This time it's Coffee Smoke. Next, let's upload our predefined backdrop and sprites. We'll have two sprites. The first one shows a cup of coffee and the second one shows a curved line of smoke. Let's start by moving the code blocks to set up the position of the Mac and to make it always visible on the front layer. It's time for coding the smoke. As you can see, the sprite for smoke is just one fancy line. Again, we start from handling the green flag click. This time we want to hide the smoke sprite behind the Mac. We will create two variables to keep the sprite coordinates on the screen. Let's call them X and Y. Please don't forget to check for this sprite only, as we want to have separate instances for clones. Let's set the variables to -30 and -50 and apply them as the position on the screen. In forever loop, we'll try to execute our code 25 times. For that, we need to have repeat component. Each repeat operation will create a clone of the smoke sprite and additionally increment the X coordinate by 1.5. Now we need to set the logic for smoke's clones, and for this we use when I start as a clone component. In the next step, we want to add one more variable called alpha. It will be used with the sinus component to improve animation. We set alpha to 1 and in a repeat loop we increment y coordinate by 1. It will force the smoke to move up. Using the sinus component, we update the x coordinate in each iteration of the loop. Feel free to play with the values on which the sinus is changed. The last thing is to use the ghost effect, so we want the smoke to disappear. If you run the application, we can see that smoke is produced, but it goes too far to the right. To fix this, let's duplicate the repeat loop and instead of adding, we will subtract the x coordinate here by 1.5. Now everything looks great. Thank you for today and see you later.